Welcome to Lone Wolf Outdoors. We're going to make some summer sausage. That's the first time I've done it, but I watched some videos about it and I figure if I do it, I'm going to video it and maybe somebody else can learn from what I do.
Or from our mistakes.
Yeah, you never know. I want to use this backwoods blend, makes 5 pound. And these casings right here, I've already got 5 of them soaking in warm water. Supposed to soak them for 30 minutes. I've got a deer venison from a buck I got about 3 weeks ago. I'm going to add some pork to it. And I'm going to use the KitchenAid to grind it up and put it all together. I also got some cheese too.
Jalapeno.
Pepper jack.
Pepper jack.
Pepper jack cheese. It's high temp cheese that I'm going to put in it too. So stay tuned.
Now that's a special order cheese. Don't just throw any cheese in from the grocery store because it'll melt and make a big mess.
That's true. I got the high temp pepper jack cheese. It's already in little cubes. I'm probably using about a pound of this or half a pound. Probably a pound.
And good luck finding it. You've got to special order this stuff. And this particular cheese came from Cabela's.
I'm going to go ahead and mix this cure up for the summer sausage. On the back it says, it has a little chart. We're making 5 pounds, so you empty the entire pouch and the cure packet in 5 ounces of water. We'll go ahead and do that. Alright, we mixed it in this 5 ounces of water. We'll make sure it's dissolved pretty good. Alright, we got approximately 4 pounds of venison in here. I'm going to grind some pork and put it in here and mix it up and add cheese. Cheese.
I'm going to cut this pork into some smaller pieces, more manageable to fit in the KitchenAid. If we just had a good knife.
Actually, this has got more fat content in it than I thought it was going to. So I don't think we're going to put a whole lot of pork in it. I want mostly the fat.
This might get a little noisy, but we've got the pork cut up and Randy's going to start shooting it through here. Are you going to run the hamburger back through there with the deer burger?
Probably.
I just was wanting to make sure.
You can mix it with your hands.
Especially frozen.
Alright, we got about a pound in there. We'll mix it up. Put some more trying out. I've decided to just go ahead and mix the hamburger up again with the fat. That way it'll be incorporated better. Alright, we got our meat grinded up. Now I'm going to put the solution in here. Got the cured salt. I'm going to mix it up by hand. Then I'm going to put the cheese in it. And you're supposed to do it so it sticks to your hand.
Yeah, the curing salt's supposed to make it like gummy.
Alright, I've been mixing this for a while. It's kind of tacky. Put the cheese in it. Mix it up too. Alright, I got it all mixed up here with the cheese in it. Now we're going to use these casings and slide it over here and fill them up. Let's try it. Fill up.
This is definitely a two-man operation with this equipment.
Yeah, this one. Really tacky too. Like I said, it's the first time we've done this anyway. You need something to put that rest on. Have enough time. Right there it is. Where's your end at? Alright. Make sure you have enough room to tie the end.
Well, this is a first for me, so we're going to give this a shot.
So we got one done.
Get the string a little short here.
So we'll try to go through this and get some more.
There it is.
Now we just smoke them tomorrow. We'll wait 24 hours.
Just as good as Hickory Farms.
That's
if
right.
Not better.
That's right. Alright, that's the last one. But we still have a little bit more left. So, it was about even.
I'm not sure.
It was about,
I don't think I have enough.
oh, you had to take some out? Alright. We got 5. gonna put them in the refrigerator till tomorrow evening, then I'm gonna smoke them. And I'll catch you back there. This KitchenAid, it's alright, but it's a definite two-man operation. So if you can, get you an actual prep sausage stuffer. But this is our first time, so we're good. We'll see you at the smoker. Well, welcome back. This is about 24 hours after I made these. I'm going to put them on my pellet smoker. I'm going to cook them about 180, 200 degrees till they get internal temperature about 160. And then I'm going to dump them in a cold bath of water. So, wait here. I have this probe I'm going to put in one, and remote control will tell me when it's done. We'll stick it in this right here. Stick it in the middle part. There they are. Turn this thing on here. There's my thermometer. It'll tell me when it gets up to, I'm going to put it on 160. It's at current 45 degrees. So we'll check back in here when they're done, and we'll dunk them in the ice bath. Well, my alarm went off on my thermometer. And right there is ready. 162. That one's ready. Yeah, a little over. So we'll take them off. I'm gonna put them in this cooler here, let them cool off. It's about 30 degrees out here, so it ain't gonna take them long. Well, I've cut into it. It tastes really good. Got good color. I let it cool for about an hour and a half. I put it in ice bath in my cooler and let it set. Smells pretty good. But I let it set for, it took me about 3.5 hours to smoke this. I started out about 165 and I cranked it up slowly up to 220. So, but yeah, turned out good. My first time. Thanks for watching and get outdoors. I would also like to thank Sherry, my wife. She helped me in the process and I sure appreciate it.